The time is currently 1:02 and our train is by 2:27. Okay, so I have to be quick. I have to be sharp because like I cannot miss my train. Okay, baby girl. Okay. It's currently 2:17, so 10 minutes before our train. How many am I gonna miss this?
Yeah, where next? I think we've strayed far from where we're meant to be. Let's just keep going. This guys, so we're officially lost. We are lost. So our reservation is for 4, and it's 3:51. Jesus, on your label, baby. Jesus, that's a paradise. With many blessings. Oh, and the rest, good morning.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Easy here. How are you guys doing? How you guys feeling? What is going on? I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys had a wonderful night. I hope you slept well because I did. It's currently 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm meant to have plans later on in the day, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna vlog a day in the life video and just give you guys some content like always. Okay. Bless me, Lord. Anyways, yeah, I do have a lecture later on. When I mean later on, I mean like in 20 minutes. I have a lecture at 9, but it's an online lecture, and that's the only lecture I have today. So fun. Yeah, I'm just gonna get on with my day. And obviously, if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Isabel. Welcome. Okay, let's get right into the video. Alright, so guys, let me turn on the light. So I want to show you guys my newest purchase. So my vlogging tripod. As you can see, I'm not a vlogger now, like. Anyways, I got this for like £12, guys, and you know when you can just tell that something has very good quality, like you can, when you feel it, you know that this is gonna last, that it's not gonna break. So that is the vibe this is giving me. And for £12, guys, child, tell me why I'm sweating and my heating is still on to the max. Tell me why, like, I don't understand. Anyways, let's carry on. Guys, look at the view outside. I swear the weather in this UK is so depressing, like what the hell. So my room is boiling and I'm actually gonna open the window because I feel like I'm about to melt. Hi people, what is going on? What's good? Okay, hi. So guys, I have 9 minutes left of the lecture. It was a maths class, and I'm actually surprised that we still have this amount of people in the lecture at the moment, because like it's a 9 a.m. lecture and not many people come for 9 a.m. lectures. Yeah, so this is kind of bare bones. Alright, so guys, I decided to go to the gym today. So we came out from lockdown on Wednesday and the gyms are open and I need to get back to the gym, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys the fit of the day. Okay. Yeah, so this is what I'm wearing to the gym. Let's go. It's actually been an hour. It's been an hour since I said I was going to go to the gym. Don't even ask me why, but I'm outside now and it's freezing. What the hell? It's actually freezing. So obviously I'm not gonna spend as much time as I was planning to spend in the gym. Probably gonna spend less now, but I need to get water before I get to the gym. So I'm going to Tesco's. Guys, I am actually dying. It's been a month since I've been to the gym, so I am done. I literally spent like 40 minutes in the gym, which is not too bad, but obviously in a regular day I would do more, but I'm kind of in a hurry. Yeah, and I'm quite okay with the workout I did today, and like I would say, I feel like people are looking at me like, what the hell is going on? But anyways, yeah, so the gym is not as full as I expected it to be, because I was like, this is what everyone has been away from the gym for a month. I thought a lot of people would be at the gym, but it's quite empty compared to the normal days. So now I'm gonna pack up my stuff and head back home. I'm back from the gym and I'm gonna quickly have a shower, do some makeup, then get ready to go out. I am going out with my friend, and yeah, so hopefully. So the time is currently 12:02 and our train, what's 12:02? The time is currently 1:02 and our train is by 2:27. Okay, so I have to be quick, I have to be sharp because like I cannot miss my train. So yeah, quickly have a shower, do light makeup and get ready, you know the vibes. And I'll see you guys after, I don't know, I'll probably see you guys after my makeup is done. So okay. Alright, so guys, I am done and this is the final look. Like let me show you guys a full fit. Like okay baby girl, okay. Yeah, so sis. Do you know what, I actually wanted to wear a denim jacket. Obviously my denim jacket is not big enough because the hoodie is quite big, so it's kind of like, it's very uncomfortable, so I decided to go with this one instead. It's currently 2:17, so 10 minutes before our train. How many am I going to miss this? But fingers crossed, okay? Next time I'm going to see you guys probably be on the train. Guys, guess what? We actually missed the train. And this baby here is angry at me. She says it's my fault. We missed the train, but we're able to get a next one. But obviously, we're going to get there later than when we're meant to. Did you want to say hi? What the hell? Don't be rude. Kids actually watch this, you know. Uche. What? Look how she's looking cute. Like a speck. Oh my god. Such a confectionery. Thank you. Guys, I and Uche, yeah, we tend to miss our train all the time. Like, this is the second time this is happening. At least this one we're lucky enough to actually get a next one that was close to the one we had before. So that's still calm. So the train journey is about, how long is the train? 50 something minutes. It's about 50 something minutes. So we're going to Southampton. Southampton is literally the next city after Portsmouth. So okay, it's not the next city. But yeah, Southampton is close to Portsmouth.
Alright, so guys, we've gotten to Southampton. It's currently 3:40 and we are about to get something to eat because we're hungry. Yeah, where next? I think we've strayed far from where we're meant to be. But let's keep going. Cause it Cosmo there. I think you have close to Cosmo. I said you have arrived. I don't know where. Let's just keep going. This guys, so we're officially lost. We are lost. So our reservation is for 4. And it's 3:51. It's got like 9 minutes. Oh, child. Baby girl. Can someone please tell this girl? Let's ask for directions before we actually get lost. All the restaurants are on this side. Okay, sorry. Resident of Southampton. Oh, there's a skate park. Guys, the drinks just arrived. Do you want to tell them where you got?
I got a June part.
And I got an Insta story, if that's how you pronounce it. So guys, basically I have a bad history with cocktails. I always end up getting the worst. So hopefully this one is not bad. I actually like this. Did you remember orange juice vibes? How is it?
Normal pina colada vibes. It's just another name.
Lick the finger. Guys, please tell me why we asked for sauces and they literally went to go and bring all their sausage for all the time. So are you gonna finish this?
Finish what?
All the sauces.
You'll be surprised.
Anyways, the food is here. I and Uche basically got the same thing. You guys saw what we ordered, like literally. And we were stopped after that. But did we stop there? No. So we basically ordered a 3-course meal. But obviously the starter and the meal was massive. But we still had to get our dessert. We had to get our money's worth, okay? Coronavirus! She was gonna run. She was gonna run.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Is this Ariana? Is this why does she look so different? In the kitchen, no, in the bathroom.
When I say still this song like what's the name of that girl one's name? Choma Jesus.
Who the hell is Choma Jesus?
Jesus, on your label, baby. Jesus, that's a polite girl.
With many, many blessings. Oh, and the rest, good morning.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
So guys, we're done in Southampton.
You're 1% battery.
We're waiting to get back home. And my phone is currently 1%. So the next time you guys are probably gonna see me is when I'm back home. Yeah.
She took bad pictures of me,
He
imagine.
loves me, basically.
No.
Basically. So I am back and I am tired. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Yeah. Today was nice, okay? I actually enjoyed today so much. And obviously I hope I vlogged really well because because I was so shy of vlogging and walking at the same time because like everyone just keeps on looking at you like have you not seen someone vlogging before? Have you not seen a tripod stand? Like I'm very confused. Don't be looking at me like that. But anyways,
yeah, so many more vlogs to come. I feel like with that I'll be able to build my confidence eventually. But yeah, so that is the end of the video. Your girl is tired. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in my next video. Stay safe, okay? Bye.